using a hydroforce vapor steamer to clean and sanitize all the surface. We are in a police department, and this is the fire place. This is the bathroom where all the lockers are, and we are cleaning and sanitizing. They hire us to clean the tile and the grout. And this is Anyhousecleaning. Sanitize and disinfect all the surface. You can contact us at 407-572-4118. This is a truly vapor steamer that uses just water. With the heat of the water, we sanitize and deep clean any surface. After a deep cleaning, after the service, some clients ask for additional refresh your home. Thank you, Jeff. Another thing that I would like to ask you is permission to take photos and video of this job that I'm gonna do next Friday.
Absolutely.
Because that's my way to advertise and show people the type of service that I provide.
Yes.
Okay, if you don't have any problem. And let me ask you, how did you find me?
On my Google Maps, I just did a search
On computer, your phone?
My phone.
So it was easy to find me?
Yes, very much so. So what attracted me to your company the most was you got very, very good ratings, and more importantly, a division of your company, you do construction cleanup as well, which tells me beyond a shadow of a doubt that you can do very deep cleaning.
Yes.
So, which is what we need here.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. I really appreciate your help, sir.